Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is May 18, 2025. This video is on a Lancet article published recently titled Durability and Efficacy of Solbinsiran, a small interfering RNA agent in adults with mixed dyslipidemia, the prolonged ANGPTL3 trial, a double-blind randomized placebo-controlled phase 2 trial. There was an accompanying commentary titled Therapy for Mixed Dyslipidemia through ANGPTL3 inhibition. Mixed dyslipidemia, high LDL, cholesterol and triglycerides raise the risk of cardiovascular disease despite statin use. Angiopoietin-like protein 3 is a hepatic protein regulating triglyceride-rich lipoprotein metabolism. Small interfering RNA therapy offers a direct strategy to silence hepatic angiopoietin-like 3 expression. Solbinsiran showed lipid lowering in phase 1. Phase 2, this study, prolonged ANGPTL3, tests durability, efficacy, and safety. This is a double-blind, placebo-controlled phase 2 trial of 205 patients across 41 centers in 7 countries. Adults with elevated triglycerides levels between 150 and 500 milligrams per deciliter, elevated LDL cholesterol greater than or equal to 70 milligrams per deciliter, and non-HDL cholesterol greater than or equal to 130 milligrams per deciliter. They were randomized to Solbinsiran 100, 400, and 800 milligrams or placebo given subcutaneously on days 0 and 90. The primary endpoint was % change in apoB at day 180. Secondary endpoints included angiopoietin-like 3, triglyceride, LDL cholesterol, non-HDL cholesterol, and hepatic fat. What were the key findings? Solbinsiran 400 milligrams reduced apoB by 14.3%, p-value 0.0085, and angiopoietin-like 3 by 70%, reduced triglycerides by greater than 50%, VLDL cholesterol by as much as 50%, LDL cholesterol by 16.8%, and non-HDL cholesterol by 25.5%. Also lowered hepatic fat by 27.6% using MRI. Well tolerated with few adverse events than placebo. Transient mild liver enzyme elevation at 800 milligrams. Key takeaway, 400 milligram dose offered best efficacy and safety balance. No added benefit with 800 milligrams. Angiopoietin-like 3 inhibition via small interfering RNA is promising for lipid and liver fat control. Durability supports quarterly dosing. Needs validation in outcome trials. Commentary. The accompanying commentary said Solbinsiran 400 milligrams reduced apoB, LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, HDL cholesterol, and liver fat significantly. Safety profile was reassuring with minimal liver enzyme elevations and transient glucose effects. A novel achievement, lowering apoB containing particles through angiopoietin-like 3 small interfering RNA inhibition. Critique, predominantly Hispanic cohort, only one black participant, limits generalizability, modest sample size, and short follow-up, 270 days, preclude long-term conclusions. Notable lipid reductions also occurred in the placebo arm, apoB 11.6% and LDL cholesterol reduction by 12.7%. Small interfering RNA promises clear, but as the commentary says, outcome trials are essential to confirm cardiovascular benefit and durability. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.